Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Johan YH Images, and today we have Imani with us, the amazing. Don't forget to put that on it.
Okay,
Yeah, so we actually did this shoot before. This was like 2.5 years ago, something like that. But we decided to do it again so we can give you guys the behind the scenes of this on YouTube. So we're about to get it started. I'm shooting with the Nikon Z8, of course, with the 50 1.0. No, this is the 24-70, my bad. And I'm also shooting with the 50 1.2, and we're gonna put that on here too and get some amazing shots. So we're about to get this started. So let's load it up. You ready?
let's do it.
I like where that light is kissing you on that end, so we're gonna start right there. I'm already on full power, ready to roll. It always seemed like every time I'm about to set this up, the wind start blowing. You notice the wind was not blowing
It literally was not.
until I pulled this softbox out.
When we started,
I know all y'all photographers out there had the same issue. As soon as you set up, wind start blowing. Hating. Okay. I'm gonna have you right here. Yep, that's perfect. You can go into your pose. Oh, we got that sunburst right there, right behind you. Let me check this. It will help if this.
I will stay there.
I want you to turn toward my light.
Towards you, right?
Yeah. My light is here.
Oh.
What light you looking at?
The one that's coming towards you.
No, this light.
Your light.
Yes.
All right.
Here we go. Nice. I want you to rest your arm there. Yep, just like that. Let me get that sun out of there. That sunburst is in our shot, kinda. Here we go. Hold on. And I'm sitting here looking like, why my picture so dark?
It's like,
I said, there's no way I'm shooting at 1/4. Yep, stay like that. Get on the eye, crazy. Here we go. Yep, right there. Bring that arm in. Your left arm. Keep that right arm where it's at. Bring the left arm in. Some more. There you go. Yep, that's gonna be perfect there. Let me see. Okay, here we go. That's dope. I want you to kick that foot out. There you go. Gotta bring this down for you. You still in baby shoes.
something like that.
Okay, here we go. Oh, that was heat. Yeah, right there. Yep, stay there. See how those is coming out.
Period. Yes, I love that.
Right out the camera.
Period.
No edits.
Damn.
The model doesn't have to carry anything. You just model. But we about to head upstairs on the roof. And nice views, nice views, nice views. So we're about to work this area right here before we get to the roof. Trying to see how I'm gonna situate my light. Oh yeah. Now I want you to come down some. I want you to sit on that part.
Sit on this part?
Yeah. And put your feet down here. Yep, right there. Okay, so we got this set up, and I'm gonna probably shoot at an upper angle. Okay. She loves the camera, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot at an upper angle so I can kind of get those buildings there. Give it that nice urban feel. Okay, here we go. Hold on, let me get lower. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go down these steps for a little second, get a side view. Lean forward a little bit. Yep, there you go. I want you to kind of lean. There you go. Now you're getting active.
Oh, big. I'm scared of spiders and bird poop. Okay.
That's dope. Go back to that pose. Hold on. I might need to change my channel around here. Hold on, go back there. Yep. Okay. Now we can go upstairs to the roof. Sit up here. One, two, three, jump.
Yep.
Yo, so now we got you right in the middle of the sun. This is gonna be perfect. Okay, here we go. Check that. Oh, that's on point. I noticed that this 24 to 70 holds better with the sunburst in the background than that 50. Yeah, I want you to give me something leaning forward a little bit. Like you leaning forward toward. Yeah, there. Yep, put your hair in the back. Stay there.
Yeah, like black and white TV.
Yeah, so we just finished up. How did you enjoy yourself?
It was good. It's always a good time with you. You feel me? We always, you know.
We always,
get the
yeah.
shot. We always
Yeah, look
get-
on my Instagram. You'll see all her dope photos that we done did. And we definitely gonna be doing some more stuff. So make sure you check Imani out at
iMedallion.
iMedallion.
Yes, iMedallion.
And y'all know how I do. It's way too long. I'm gonna put it in the description. We out of here.
Peace. That's a wrap.